Good morning, kids. Welcome to your maths online class. Before the holidays, we have completed addition of 3-digit numbers, and we have practiced few sums also on this. We have completed also addition of 3-digit number with changing ones. That means we need to change ones into tens like this. We have done it before the holidays. That means I am explaining it again, children. If the sum of any row, if the sum of one's row, we will get more than 9. अगर one's row को add करने के बाद, just like here, if we add 4 and 8, we get here 12, which is more than 9. अगर 9 से ज़्यादा आता है, then we need to change ones into tens and ones, as I have changed here. Just like here, on adding 4 and 8, we get here 12. So 12 ones can be write down as 1 tens and 2 ones. है ना यहाँ पे. So 12 में 2 is at ones place and 1 is at tens place. So 12 ones can be write down as 1 tens and 2 ones. So here in ones row we will write down 2. Okay, and this 1 tens will be shifted to the tens row as carry. Now in tens row, children, we will add 1, 2 and 4. Then we get 7, which is less than 9. That means we not need to convert tens into 100. So this we have done before the holidays, children. Now today we are going to understand addition of 3-digit numbers, changing tens into 100, which is in page number 35 of your maths book. Changing tens into 100. So here we need to change tens into 100. First we will understood this with the help of abacus. पहले हम इसे abacus पे समझेंगे. So here I have taken one number 65 and the other is 52. हमें इन दोनों को ऐड करना है. So first of all we will represent 65 with the help of beads on this abacus. Here I have drawn 3 vertical line which represent the 3 places, ones, tens and 100. So here in 65, children, we have 5 at ones place and 6 at tens place. So here in one's row, in one's line, we will write down 5. We will draw 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in tens row, we will draw 6 beads. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, children? Same here, since we have 2 at ones place and 5 at tens place. So here in one's line, we will draw only 2 beads. And in tens row, tens line, we will draw 5 beads again. Okay, now we have to add these two numbers by using the abacus. So as I have taught you earlier, that while adding we always start adding the numbers from the ones place first. So here in ones row we have 5 beads. So first in ones row we will draw 5 beads. And then here we have 2 beads only. So total 7 hoga. So here we will draw 7 beads. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and one more beads 7. Okay, children. Now here in tens row we have 6 and here in tens row we have 5. 6 and 5. तो अगर हम दोनों को ऐड करेंगे टोटल, तो हाउ मेनी बीड्स वी विल ड्रॉ हियर? लेट अस काउंट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 और यहाँ टेंस में 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here we will have 11 beads. तो अब क्या हो जाएगा कि यहाँ किसी भी एक रो में मैक्सिमम वी कैन ड्रॉ ओनली 9 बीट्स। अब ये क्या हो गया, 9 से ज़्यादा हो गया। यहाँ एक लाइन में हम 9 से ज़्यादा नहीं बीट्स ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, वी विल चेंज। सिंस दिस इज 11 टेंस, ये क्या है 11 टेंस। एंड चिल्ड्रन यू नो दैट 10 टेंस इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है 100। 10 tens is equal to 100. Similarly here 11 tens is equal to this 110. टेंस को हमें 100 में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो ये क्या, सॉरी 11 टेंस is equal to this 100 tens. Now here we have 0 at 1's place, 1 at 10's place and this 1 at 100 place. तो अब हम यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि 100 प्लेस पे क्या है 1, 10 प्लेस पे कितना है ओनली 1। तो यहाँ हम 10 कॉलम में सिर्फ एक बीट ड्रॉ करेंगे एंड 100 प्लेस पे एक बीट ड्रॉ करेंगे। ओके चिल्ड्रन, हमने क्या किया, चूँकि हमारा 10 कॉलम को ऐड करने से 9 से ज़्यादा बीट्स आ रहा है, that means we need to change tens into 100. As we know, हमें अच्छे से पता है कि 10 tens is equal to 100 होता है। 10 tens is equal to 100 होता है। H for 100, this is the short form, and T for tens. So here 11 tens can be written as 11 टेंस को हम लिख सकते हैं ऐसे 10 टेंस प्लस 1 टेंस। हम ऐसे भी इसको समझ सकते हैं। 11 टेंस को अगर हम एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में लिखेंगे देन वी विल राइट डाउन एज 10 टेंस प्लस 1 टेंस, है ना। 10 प्लस 1 अगेन वी विल गेट 11 टेंस एंड वी नो डैट कि 10 टेंस इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है 100। 10 टेंस इज इक्वल टू 100 and here we will have 1 tens. So here 11 tens can be changed into 100 and 1 tens, and this one will go to the 100 place, yani 1 beads we will draw in 100 column and this 1 tens we will draw in tens column. Okay children, so further we will solve the problem in the next video.